Hey everybody, Derek Brundle here with New Canoe and Motor Guide. I just wanted to take a few minutes and go over the subject of getting the right trolling motor for your kayak. For years we've gone and bought trolling motors and cut the shafts down and spliced wires back together and struggled getting the head back on straight and all that. Well, I'm glad to say you don't have to do that anymore. This is the 12 volt, 55 pound thrust, 36-inch shaft with pinpoint GPS Xi3 from Motor Guide. That's right, I said 36-inch shaft. This is directly for our kayak industry. You still get all the same great features such as heading lock, cruise control, the jog feature, and of course the most accurate GPS anchor mode on the market today, but in a kayak friendly version. Guys, this is a game changer for sure. So let's take a look at what you get in the box when you buy the new 36-inch shaft Xi3. You get the 36-inch shaft Xi3, available pinpoint GPS. You'll get an accessory bag, come with your prop. We'll show you how to put that prop on in a minute. It's going to come with your wireless remote, the lanyard for your wireless remote. You're also going to get your owner's manual information. There's your warranty card. Make sure you fill that out and send that back in so you can keep your warranty current. You're also going to get this really neat laminated quick reference card, which I love to keep in my kayak. I still keep it in there today. It just runs you through anything you'd want to do with your wireless remote, and it shows you how to access all the functions of your motor. So once you get everything out, you get your prop installed, and you want to get this thing out on the water, there's a few steps that we have to take in order to get our Motor Guide working properly. The first step will be to sync our remote to our motor. The second step will be to do our keel calibration. And the third step will be do our compass calibration. And we'll walk you through all those steps. So let's get this prop put on, then let's get out on the water and have some fun with the Motor Guide Xi3 36-inch shaft. Okay, let's go ahead and get this prop installed. Again, you're going to get the Machete 3-blade prop here. And inside your accessory bag is going to be your Motor Guide nut and prop kit. Basically, you want to pop that out of there. It's going to come with your shear pin, a washer, and your security nut. So basically this shear pin goes in this little holes here. You want to spin it like that so it doesn't fall out. And then your prop is going to have this indentation here, which needs to marry up with this. Get it so it pops on there. Like that. And you put the washer on. Your nylon lock nut goes on. 9/16 socket. And you just want to tighten this down so it's nice and snug. That'll do it. I'm going to make sure that that's on there nice and snug, and your prop is on. Let's go do that keel calibration. Okay guys, so let's get this remote synced to our Xi3. And it's very simple. Within the first 10 seconds of plugging the motor in so it's powered up, you want to go ahead and press these 2 directional arrows and hold them down until you hear the audible beep. Again, you can find this right on that laminated quick reference chart, but let's take care of that. Plug our motor in. Again, within first 10 seconds, press and hold, and you heard that little beep there. That means the remote is now synced. You can double check it by hitting the direction button, turning your prop on, Okay, so now you know you're good to go. Let's go ahead and do that keel calibration. Okay, so the next calibration we want to perform is the alignment calibration or the keel calibration. And basically what we want to do is deploy the motor, get it down into the lock position. If we want to get that prop and that head directly in line with our keel or the center of the boat. Now I'm doing this on the truck because it's a lot easier rather than in the water. I can see down the keel and it makes it very, very simple. Now in order to perform this calibration, we get it in line, we get it straight with it powered up, and then all you're going to do is hit your manual button and then press the sequence 112, and then you'll hear an audible alert letting you know that that's been done. So let's do that now. Okay, so we've heard the beep and we're all set. We don't have to do that calibration ever again. Alright everybody, so we've got our wireless remote synced to our MotorGuide Xi3. We've done our alignment or our keel calibration, and now the next step is do a compass calibration. So let's get everything unloaded, get it out on the water, because we're going to need to take this new canoe pursuit in 2 slow circles to complete this compass calibration. Okay, now we're out on the lake, we got our PFD on, we're ready to go, we're going to do the compass calibration. So basically what that's going to be is we're going to hold the manual button down and then hit in sequence 111, and then start the motor and do 2 slow circles, and we'll hear audibles beeping at us when we're done. So let's do that now. There's our audible letting us know we're done. Now, let's take this thing for a rip. Alright, that'll do it for the 36-inch shaft Xi3 from MotorGuide. Feel free to check out motorguide.com for more information.